With una marchiata di sale. At 5 punti.
That's at 5, but you have 14 pounds of flour in there.
And I put 2.
Let me just look at how much.
In the marchiata.
What's a marchiata? A handful? A palmful?
Yeah. Una marchiata.
Okay. You put 3 of those for 14 pounds?
Maybe
2.5?
2.5.
But for 5 you put 1 full?
Yeah.
Alright. It's regular water or warm water?
Warm. Warm water. 1 spoon yeast with 4 cups of water.
Okay.
For 5 pounds.
For 5. And so you put how many cups?
8. I put 9 cups for 10 pounds. So I told you 4, and then if you need a little bit more, you put it.
So how much yeast altogether for the 15?
3 spoons.
With how much water?
For 15 pounds. 4 to 5 cups of water.
Total?
For 5 pounds.
For 5. So for 15,
It's 3 spoons.
3 spoons and how much water?
4 or 14 pounds.
Yeah.
You gotta put 9 cups for 10 pounds. 4 pounds for 9 cups, 13.
About 12, 13.
About 12, 13
Okay.
cups of water.
All right. Okay, so it's a little dry, so we're just gonna, if you notice that, you just add more water. And the flour is pre-sifted. It's very hard, so it still needs more water. Very hard. Okay, this is after 20 minutes. That's what it looks like. And so what are you going to do now? You got to get that thing out. It's warm.
You like when nera manca.
It's like, what can I compare it to? It's very, very firm. And as it rises, it gets softer. So she's portioning it off. we'll do that for each one. Okay, so here they are, and we're gonna let them rise. An hour is usually good.
An hour and a half, you'll have to judge yourself.
Like, what does it have to look like?
It comes about double,
Okay,
like the bread.
about double the size. All right, we'll see when we get to that point. Okay, it's been just under an hour, and these have doubled in size. You cut this way, you don't cut this way. And here's the other one. They're catching up. And then you can watch the next video that goes through this whole process, but I'll just record this right now. What is that? Pam?
Yeah.
Pam.
Just a little bit. I already put too much. Por favor, un'altra che è più meglio, che lo prima non è buono.
First one doesn't always come out so good, so we'll show you the next one. Here's the best part of the ciambelle, cornita. In a pot of boiling water, plain water, already boiled. Oven is preset to 500.
Inarrugnata la pasta.
As soon as it floats.
You got this?
Yes. I don't think it's that big though.
Yeah.
The one I have?
Sugar it is. If you don't have, I'll give it to you one.
Okay. And she's just going to keep going with the dough. So she's on the next one, and she cut a piece of 3 slices. She put the other 2 back under here because you have to keep it under the plastic while you're working on the other one. And you got to make sure you get the ciambellas out of the water as soon as it floats. Okay, so you just drizzled some oil in there. Otherwise it gets too dry when you pull them out.
And you need to put it in the oven.
Okay, so now we're putting them on a tray with holes and sticking it on the top and in the middle rack of the oven. The oven you preheat to 500. Once it reaches 500, you drop it to 475. The first batch is ready. See how nice? They're hot, hot, hot. That needs a little bit more. All right.
This is good.
All right. The way to finish off with a nice, fresh, warm ciambelle is to eat it with some nice
glass wine.
cheese and a glass of wine.